say solar. They say you can't fit solar panels in Christmas, but you actually can. It's like a summer's day out here, to be honest. We're in the Hampstead Garden Suburb Residents Association. This is quite an important property for us because it is not listed, but it's a protected property in the area. And in this area, you have to get approval from both Barnet, the local planning authority, who are somewhat reluctant, and also the Trust, who are more engaging, I would say. It's taken us actually 6 months to get the approval, but we're here. We're installing solar today. The sun's out. We're here. We brought our electric van for fun, and off we go. Let me show you an uncut version of how we install solar. Follow me. So we're actually fitting on the first floor roof of this property. It's the rear property. So we're up on the roof. First 3 panels look laid. Middle of Christmas. It's practically summer. All black brackets, all black mounting. That stops the panels blowing away, I guess. Yeah. Right. Nice. Okay. This is all in black here, I see. So these are the windshields that go on the side, got it. And these are the brackets that run through, and there's ballasted weight underneath there, if you can see that. And there's ample room on the flat roof here. We did avoid putting anything there because there's just too much shade, simply put on that. And there is a tiny flat roof up there, but again, not really worth it. So we're just kind of capitalising on the space that we have here.
Right now we're in the garage, and on the loft of the garage we've installed a 3 kilowatt and PV inverter. And as you can see there, you have the AC isolator, and that is going down to this cupboard. And in this cupboard you also have another DC isolator, and it's all connected to the consumer board. So this property has a Zappi charger designed to charge a car, and this is from My Energy, and it's a charger that is capable of taking the excess of PV generated from the solar panels on the roof and pushing it to the car to charge it. And to do that, you actually need to put the system onto eco mode, and then it will do it automatically.
So just finishing up with the windshields on the top here. Got the 5th panel down as well. You can see it's getting some nice sun. There is a bit of shading from that pipe there. We couldn't go back any further. Couldn't really orient it any different way. So it's kind of the best of a situation. The panels are die cut now, so it's all good.
Hello, my name's Michael. I've been asked to make a few comments regarding my recent installation of solar panels. As you can see, or you can't see, they're immediately behind me on that flat roof, and that is one of the requirements laid down by the Hampstead Garden Suburb Trust, that they have to be put into a very discreet place for their functionality to perform as well as not to be seen. So I think Next Day Solar have actually achieved that. They helped me with all of the planning applications. They submitted all the paperwork on my behalf, and unfortunately it took quite a few months before we could get approval from not only the local authorities, Barnet, but also the Hampstead Garden Suburb Trust. It was about 5 months, which was a bit frustrating from my point of view. However, it's now in, it's now functioning, and as you can see, the sun is shining, and therefore the system is working in the way that we would like it to be.
As you can see right now, you're not able to see the panels at my height. Right now, you're only able to see the ridges of the flat roof. You're not able to see the panels. And this is a project that took a long time, but we're really proud of it, and we've completed it in a really nice way. And thank you very much for watching our video, and see you on the next one.